guys, this is Lindsay Smith, owner of LS Photoshop Actions, and today I have released a new set. I know it's been a while. I apologize. We've had a busy last couple of weeks, and we've been getting over having the flu and the viral upper respiratory infections, and so it's just been a nasty week. So I've been working on this for a little bit, and basically it's rainbow sky overlays. There are helper actions to help you achieve whatever look you are trying to achieve. They are made to streamline your editing process so that you can deliver to your clients quickly. So this is the before and after that you are seeing right now on the screen. And so here was my before and my after. And I'm just going to show you what you can do with these actions. So first, let's load them in. I've got my actions panel open. If you don't, click window and then make sure that your actions are checkmarked. Excuse my kids and excuse the Star Wars in the back. Okay, so there's a little drop down menu. If you are new to Photoshop, there's a little drop down menu in your actions panel. You want to click load actions. I've already got mine open, but you will need to find wherever you save them. Double click. Alright, and now they are loading in. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my before image. Actually, I might open up the bigger, because that one is resized already. So let me just go over here real quick. Yeah, that is it. Okay. So here we have it. Now, you have two place sky actions. You have this eyedropper selection. If you click the plus, you can select all of the different shades of white or gray within the image. And then you don't want to get all these greens, otherwise the sky will just, okay, we're going to do this. Bap, bap, okay, that looks good. And then it's going to open up and you're going to select the sky you want. Super simple, right? Okay, so I'm going to go with this one, number 21, place. I'm going to scrunch it up a little bit because I want the full sky in it. Click enter. And so it automatically placed it. Automatically turned down the opacity. Now, if you're one of those, like myself, where you like to manually paint on your sky, that feature is available to you as well. I'm going to just shut off the sky clipping mask. Okay, I'm going to select my background again. And then you want to come up here where it says manual, place a sky. This is your paint on sky action. Okay, so find where you have your sky saved and then select the sky you want. Okay, continue. Again, I'm going to select 21. Place it how you want, just like you did previously. Okay. Now, with a soft white brush, we're going to paint our sky on. So I'm going to go at about 60. Oh shoot, my computer wants to act up on me. Okay, so I won't be able to show that in this video because for some reason I've been working on my laptop and that keeps popping up and it's been driving me crazy and I don't know how to make it stop. Obviously, I need to add more RAM from things I've been reading. So we're just going to have to go with the selection feature of the Place a Sky tool. Okay, so if you are familiar with painting on your sky, you have that option available to you. So I apologize. Okay, so now we have our helper tools. So we have pop of contrast, color booster, make my sky darker, make my sky lighter, blur my sky. Okay, so I want to pop a contrast. And notice it just gives your image just a little bit of contrast, not too much. It's at a 30% opacity, so you can take it as high as you want the contrast, as low as you want the contrast. Whoops. Okay, but I'm going to set it back to 30 because I think that was about right. Okay, and now I also want to do color booster because I want my sky like dramatic. Okay, you can play this over the entire image if you want the color booster over your sky only. Move this layer above the sky layer. Right click, create clipping mask, and voila, it is only clipped to the sky. So I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now this color booster is applied to the entire image. We want it just on our sky, right? So what we are going to do is we're going to drag it over our sky, and we are going to right click and then click create clipping mask. And now the color booster is only applied to your sky. Me, however, I would like it on my entire image, so I'm going to release the clipping mask, and you can do that by right clicking the image again. And this time I'm going to turn down my opacity to about a 30. I think that looks decent, maybe 25. I don't know. I like to do odd integers, so I can never just leave it kind of odd. Okay, so that looks alright to me. Now say I want to make my sky darker. So I'm going to click it. It says select your sky layer. Well, my sky layer is not selected, so I need to stop what I'm doing, select my sky layer, and then you can select this again, and it will automatically play. And notice your sky is darker. Now it is at a 25% opacity, so you can change it to what you like, whether that is a lot darker or whether it is subtle. You can also paint off where you don't want the sky to be dark. Oh shoot, my computer's messing up. Sorry, I would show you that, but it's messing up. So now say you want your sky lighter, which is the same thing, so we want to select our sky layer. The same pop-up is going to pop up. Okay, select your sky layer. We did. Now make it lighter. Now you have this box down here from where the whole sky is showing. It hasn't clipped to your sky clipping mask. So what you need to do is right click, create clipping mask, and bam, it hides it automatically. Okay, so, and you can do the same for the dark. So our sky is a little lighter in the preview. We're going to keep it right here. So now I'm just going to do a couple hand editing things that I can show you. So I'm going to flatten my image because I'm happy with how my sky looks. Oh no! Okay, sorry. I guess I won't be able to show you because of the RAM thing. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I won't be able to do it. Okay, so what I was going to do, and maybe I'll remake this, but for now, for the tutorial of the actions in the skies, this was okay. But I was going to show you a couple things. So if you were to just take a soft white brush, my brush is at a 60% opacity. I wish I could paint it on and show you, but my laptop's acting up. Okay, and you just paint it over your subjects, like a spotlight, okay? And then you would go over here and you would change it to soft light, and it would create a really nice spotlight effect onto them. So I cannot do that, but it would really create what I have going on. Where is it at? Here. See how they're lit up and more in the forefront. The attention is drawn to them. Excuse me. So I hope this is easy, and I hope you guys enjoy the sky set as much as I enjoyed making them for you. And let me know what you think, and I would also love to see what you guys create with this. So yeah, check it out, and then feel free to message me. My email is support@lsphotoshopactions.com. I am on Facebook. LS Photoshop Actions is the page. And I would love to hear back from you guys. I do also have my links over here in your Actions panel, so you can find me, no problem. So thanks for watching, you all.